Now, weather with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Turned into a really nice evening out there. Once we got that rain and thunderstorm activity through earlier this afternoon, it kind of wiped out the heat and wiped out some of the humidity, and temperatures feel pretty good. Skies are mostly clear. Right now we're looking at readings in the low 70s. Dew points continue to drop. That's going to be a factor for making it more comfortable tomorrow morning. Taking a look at the last 12 hours, you can see we had a pretty healthy crop of shower and thunderstorm activity that fired up this afternoon. Now notice, not everybody saw the clouds and the wet weather. We really weren't able to get that shower activity into St. Clair County or Henry County or Benton County or even into Morgan County. And that's because this is where we had that envelope of moisture associated with that storm that's located to our southeast. The air is drier further northwest, so it makes it a lot tougher to generate showers. Meanwhile, areas to the south, we had plenty of shower and thunderstorm activity to go around. I mentioned those dew points, which are dropping. We're now looking at dew points in the middle 60s. So this is drier air that's working in on northeasterly winds, and it's going to slowly edge toward the southwest overnight tonight. And that's really going to open the door for, I think, some comfortable morning lows, particularly north and east of Springfield, but really all across the Ozarks. It's going to be a pretty nice night. That cutoff storm is slowly making its way off to the east. We've got a pocket of dry air located to the north and northwest of that low, and that pocket of dry air is going to be wrapping in on the backside of that low across the Ozarks, or at least most of the Ozarks on Saturday, and then across all of the Ozarks on Sunday. What does that mean for our weekend forecast? It means it's going to be pretty dry. I think there will be a few isolated showers and thunderstorms across our eastern counties Saturday afternoon. And then on Sunday, can't rule out an isolated afternoon shower area-wide, but most locations will stay dry through the upcoming weekend. So here's our hour-by-hour forecast. A quiet night ahead. Skies are going to clear out completely. Looks like we'll start off with sunny conditions tomorrow. Should stay mostly sunny over western Missouri and northwest Arkansas. Areas to the east, though, closer to that storm, there's more moisture here, and that's where we're going to pop up a few isolated to maybe widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. But it doesn't look like we're going to find that rain as far west as Highway 65. It looks like it's going to tend to stay focused in areas from about Lake of the Ozarks down to Bull Shoals Lake and east. And even in these areas, many locations will not see any wet weather tomorrow. Temperatures tomorrow morning, really comfortable. Low 60s to the northeast, 63 here in Springfield. Looks like about 64, 65 in Branson and over toward Cassville. Winds light out of the northeast throughout the night. Out of the northeast tomorrow at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. And where we find clouds and that chance for a few afternoon showers, it'll be a hair cooler than areas to the west. Looks like about 81 over our eastern counties, 83 or 84 here in Springfield, and it looks like mid-80s here along I-49. Let's talk about our lake forecast. If you've got some boating plans or you're going to do some floating tomorrow, get out there and do it. Enjoy our waterways here in the Ozarks, as we are going to find quiet weather conditions at most lakes. The one lake where I think we could see, again, an isolated shower thunderstorm in the afternoon would be Lake of the Ozarks. That would be it. And, you know, chances are we're not going to find wet weather there either. Highs across all of the area topping out in the low to mid 80s. If you're planning on doing a little golfing tomorrow, it actually looks pretty good out there. Winds aren't going to be terribly strong. Looks like mostly sunny conditions. And again, the only areas that might have to fight off a few isolated showers or thunderstorms would be our eastern counties. Looking at mowing, because we have seen wet weather and that grass has been growing. It looks like for Saturday, we'll call it fair because it will start off kind of wet out there. We'll dry things off. Then I think we're going to find great mowing conditions for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. In fact, if you want to really hold off those outdoor chores, hold them off until Monday, because I think by then we're going to find a front moving through and it's going to come in with milder, less humid conditions. And next week, if we thought spring was behind us, the good part of spring, the comfortable part of spring, it's not. We get a shot at some really nice weather for really all of next week, with only one day where there's a chance for showers, and that's on Wednesday.
All right, not a bad looking forecast there. You know, speaking of mowing too, it's so funny because I have some neighbors who do their mowing on like regular days, but it's been rainy, so yeah.
Just throwing them all off.
So we'll get that done soon though. What's our Viewers Club number?
Number tonight, 135-734, jackpot $500.
All right, Jamie, thank you. Still ahead, a water rescue on the Buffalo River. We have details on how an Arkansas Boy Scout group was rescued today.